Are you still watching videos without earning any money from it? Then stick around because you will learn exactly how to make money online today watching YouTube videos with a completely new strategy that is working in 2020 worldwide. Hello there, welcome to this exciting new money-making video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and I'm about to show you step by step how you can earn up to $500 just by doing what you're doing right now, which is watching YouTube videos. And if you think this sounds too good, well, let me add that what is actually best about this method is that you, yes, you can do it from any place in the world, from the comfort of your home, completely for free, without investing any money, without having any special skill, and you can start getting paid directly into your PayPal account or any real cash payment option you prefer as soon as you finish watching this complete video. But before we actually get into this, if you like making money online, then make sure you go below this video and click on that red subscribe button, then tap the notification bell because we provide every single week the best videos on how to make money online. And also remember to drop a like on this video as well if you enjoyed this content. With all that done, we're now ready to jump straight into our simple money-making method. So the first thing you want to do is open a new tab or windows on your web browser and then type in the address bar AddMeFast.com to head on over the site from which you will be watching the YouTube videos that will allow you to earn money, and hit enter. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process, so it is important you follow along and don't miss any part of it in order to make this work. This AddMeFast.com website is a very trusted site where people basically exchange social media engagement, and you can get coins for doing this, which then you can exchange for real money, which makes it a very simple way to make money by watching YouTube videos. So in AddMeFast.com, you can exchange YouTube views, YouTube likes, Facebook followers, and so on. People here just want to grow their social media presence, like their Facebook page, their Instagram accounts, their YouTube channels, and so on. But don't you worry, because you don't have to have any followers, nor any subscribers, nor any users. You won't have to create videos or anything like that. In fact, if you want, you can create a new, clean YouTube account with no profile picture, no videos, no subscribers, and no views to use it on this website, and then be able to make money by just watching YouTube videos. Now, as you can see, this website has over 6 million active users that come from more than 211 countries. This is why I'm telling you this method is available worldwide. It has a really user-friendly interface, and they also offer a very fast support. This website also works with the most important social media networks like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, VK, SoundCloud, and there is even TikTok here already. So you can also make money by subscribing, following, and giving likes on all of these social media platforms. So it's a really good way to make money online. And in this video, I'm going to give you all of the details on making money by watching YouTube videos. So make sure you follow this training all the way to the end. So to get started, you come to AddMeFast.com. Let's scroll all the way up again and click on this Try for Free Now button. And this will open the registration form where you will fill out your email, then create an 8 characters password, and then confirm the same password right here. After that, just check here to confirm that you're not a robot. And finally, click on the sign up button to sign up to this website completely for free. Once you do this, it will show you this confirmation message. And as it says here, you will now need to open your email account to find the email message that they have sent you in order to confirm your AddMeFast.com account. This email message will most likely be in your spam folder. So if you can't find it in your inbox, make sure you look in your spam folder. The email message you receive should say something like this. And all you need to do now is click on this click here to confirm link. And you will land on this new confirmation page. Now you will be able to log into your AddMeFast.com account with the email address and password you just configured. Every time you log in, you will be taken to your dashboard. So on the left side, you see you have many options to choose from that will make you earn coins, which is like the currency this website handles. Your coins will always show up on the top part of the website. But in a moment, I will show you how you can turn these coins into real money. So as you see here, you can give likes on Facebook, You can share posts, you can follow Facebook accounts, post a like, post share. They also have Telegram channels, Instagram followers, Instagram likes, and as we saw before, we already have TikTok followers and TikTok video likes options here. So you can perform any of these engagement actions, and in return, by clicking on this add site/page button, you can ask people on this AddMeFast.com site to give you likes, to follow you, and receive all of the same kind of social media engagement on your own social media account. But you're not here to get these likes and social media engagement for your account. You're interested in making money just by watching YouTube videos. So to start doing this, you need to come to the left menu to find and click on the YouTube Views option. And you will be taken to this panel where it says, get free points by viewing others' YouTube videos. You can also choose which video you want to watch or skip those you don't want to. View this video for 30 seconds and get 8 points. So all you gotta do is click on this green view video button, then a new window with the video will pop up, and you just need to watch this video for 30 seconds to get yourself 8 points. Now you can see you have a counter here that will tell you when the 30 seconds have gone by. I will jump ahead over tutorial and I'll come back right before we reach those 30 seconds mark. Once we reach the amount of seconds required, the page with the video will automatically close and these images will show up on your panel. You will need to click on each of these pictures to orientate them correctly. And this is only to verify that you are a real human doing this process and not a robot. Then click on the submit button. And there you have the points for watching the video. Now you can do it again. Click on the green view video button. It will open up the window with the video. So watch it for the seconds that you need to. Wait for the counter to finish. Now the window will automatically close. Now orientate correctly the pictures to verify again that you're not a robot and click on submit. And there you have new points for watching this video. Now you can exchange these coins or points for Facebook likes, Instagram likes, or media engagement on TikTok. So basically on this AddMeFast.com website, you can turn the points you got from watching YouTube videos into engagement on any social media account, and pay close attention because I'm about to explain how you're going to turn this into real cash deposit into your PayPal account or any other payment method that you like. But before that, I want to show you other great ways for you to earn more coins. For example, if you look at the right side of your dashboard, you can see that this site has a really great referral program that gives you 999 points for each person that you invite to join the website. So you can share your referral link on your Facebook profile, on Facebook groups, through WhatsApp, and on any other places to get as many people to sign up on this website completely for free, and this will make you earn more points to get more and more cash. Now if you take a look at the left side menu, you will see the daily bonus option. If you click on it, it will open up this panel. As you see, this will allow you to get 500 or more bonus points every day just by doing the activities that you're doing already, which is watching YouTube videos. Take note that this option will be available from the next day after your registration to the site. So if you just sign up today, you can come back tomorrow and you will be able to start collecting these bonus coins completely for free. So do this and watch as many videos as you can to collect as many coins as you can. I will suggest getting at least 1,000, and I will show you how you can change them into real cash. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more tips, tools and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. Now check this out. I've just watched a couple of videos and I've already collected 295 points. So the next step is to open a new tab or window on your web browser and then type in the address bar PlayerUp.com to head on over the site from which you will be making money with the coins you got on your AddMeFast account, and hit enter. This website is basically a marketplace where you can trade, buy and sell different kinds of accounts. You see that they have different gaming accounts and they also have social media accounts like Instagram, YouTube and so on. But what is most important for us right now is that on this website you can also trade, buy and sell social media accounts and social media engagement. So you will scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to find the category that says all other games/marketplaces, to click on it. And it will take you to this very extensive menu, but all you need to do is click on the letter F, which then will take you to the F menu options, and from here you can click on the Facebook link. Now it will take you to this page where you can see there are many options for Facebook products that you can trade, buy and sell. For example, you can buy, sell and trade Facebook accounts, Facebook commenting, Facebook followers, Facebook friends, and many other things. But we're just going to focus on Facebook likes, Facebook shares, and Facebook followers, because it's what we have available to get from our AddMeFast account. So for example, let's click on Facebook likes, and you will get to the page where you can see the list of all the people that are selling Facebook likes. So for example, you can see that this person is selling 100 Facebook likes for $15, and you can do exactly the same. You can collect the money on this PlayerUp website for a certain amount of Facebook likes, and you can get these Facebook likes from your AddMeFast account with the coins you've earned by watching YouTube videos. This way you will be making a lot of money just by watching YouTube videos. So to start getting the money, you need to come over to the PlayerUp website and click on the upper right corner link where it says login or sign up. Now you just enter your email address right here, then select no, create an account now, and click on the sign up button, and you will be taken to this form. Now you just complete the form and click on I am not a robot for the CAPTCHA verification, and then agree to the terms of service. Finally, click on the sign up button. And after you get yourself your free PlayerUp account, you can post your Facebook likes, Facebook shares, and Facebook follower services. Then people here will start paying you with real money to get from you these Facebook engagement services. So for example, someone will pay you $15 directly into your PayPal account for 100 Facebook likes. And then your buyer will provide you his URL, for example this one, which is the exact link to the Facebook post or the Facebook page where he wants to get those 100 likes on. Once you receive this, you come over to your AddMeFast account and click on the Add Site/Page button located on the top left side of your dashboard. This will open up a form in which you will set up the social media engagement request that you need to fulfill for your client. And for this example, for type, you will select Facebook likes. On countries, you checkmark worldwide. For the title, you can write the name of your client, the service you provided, for example 100 Facebook likes, hyphen the price that you charge, and you can also include the date. This is so you can have all of your services nicely identified and organized on your account. Now on page URL, you paste the exact URL that your buyer provided. Let's correct this. Just remove the $sign. There you go. Now you got to click on this on button to enable the total clicks input and write down 100, which for this example is what your buyer needs. 100 Facebook likes. Now you can leave this daily clicks option off since you want to get the most amount of clicks that you can every day. And this CPC or cost per click is the number of coins that you're going to give to each person for liking the Facebook post or the Facebook page that you have listed. So for example, you can offer 5 coins or points for each like. And finally, you click on the Save Changes button. So now the users on this AddMeFast website are going to go and like the Facebook page or Facebook post I just listed. And each of them is going to receive 5 coins, which will be taken off from the coins that I have accumulated for watching YouTube videos and any other activities I have done on this website. So this way, I will provide to my PlayerUp buyer the 100 Facebook likes that he has already paid for me in real hardcore cash. It's as simple as that. I just earned $15 by simply watching YouTube videos. And this is something that you can do again and again every single day. You can get your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your dad, your mom, your siblings, and your kids. Get everyone to watch these YouTube videos and help you earn even more coins. Because as you saw here, this strategy is so simple that anyone can do it. So go ahead and share this video with them so you can all start making money online. But if you're looking for an even better, more profitable way to earn a full-time passive income online, then click and watch this next video right here where I teach exactly how to make money on YouTube without making videos, free and easy. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.